Good morning everyone and welcome to our third session in our revision. Okay, and let's talk about more about the electric energy. Last time we said about the electric charges and the importance of electricity and so on. Today I will teach you what is a static energy. Last time we said that the positive and negative was an electric charges and they have to move to make the electricity work, right? Okay, and actually this case is called electric current. So electric current is the movement or the flow of electric charges inside a wire. So this is what is the electricity. And when these charges, the positive and negative, remain unmoved, they called static electricity or static energy. Okay, they remain unmoved and actually they are not balanced. And actually you have to know that when the positive charge is equal to the negative charge, they are called neutral. Okay, so let's solve. What is the electric charges that build on an object and it happen when the positive and negative are not balanced? It's a static. Okay, and what is the flow of the electric charges? It's an electric energy. So this is for the electric energy. What is the magnet and what is the magnetism? Actually, magnet is the object that attract the metals, and magnetism is the force that pull the metals. And the magnet have two poles, the north and south. When the magnet is beside or the distance is close to the object, the force will be very strong. And when the magnet is far away from the object, the force will be very weak. So here is the magnet, that is the object that attracts the metals, and here is the magnetism because it's the non-contact force. So here, what is the magnet? That when the magnet are close to each other, the magnetic force will be strong, but when it's afar, it will be weak. Okay, for this one, what is the space around the magnet? It's called the magnetic field. So the magnetic field is the space around the magnet where the force can act. Okay, 36. When two magnets are far away from each other, the magnetic force will be very weak. Okay? Okay. This is actually about the electricity. Okay, here, what is caused by the movement of tiny small particles? Of course, electric energy. We said before that electric energy need the movement of the tiny charged. Electricity is transported through what? Through the wire, right? Okay. Okay, when a charge moves from one place to another, they cause a change and be what? They be unbalanced. We actually don't have balanced in electricity. They be unbalanced. Okay. Objects with more negative than the positive, so they will be negative according to the more. Okay, objects with more positive than the negative will be positive, of course, because we said that according to the more, the overall charge will be. Objects with opposite charge, of course, they will attract, while objects with alike or same, of course, they will repel. Okay, true or false? All the matter is made up of tiny small particles that we can see them. Of course, false, because we cannot see them. Not we can. Objects with more negative than the positive have a positive? No. We said according to the more. So more negative will be negative. More positive than the negative will have a positive? Of course, true. Objects with opposite charges will repel from each other? No, they will attract. Okay, objects with the same will repel from each other? Of course, true. Okay, so what is the electric charges that build on an object? When it's positive and negative and are not balanced, they are static electricity. And what happens when the water droplets and small pieces of ice rub against each other? This is of course lightning that happen in the sky. The third one, which is the current flow. Flow means movement in one complete circuit. It is, of course, the electric current. Okay, thank you guys so much and hope you enjoyed the session for today.